The auditorium was built in 1927. Previously, the lounge hall was used as the assembly hall for gatherings such as worship services. However, as the number of students increased, the lounge hall became too small to hold everyone, so the auditorium was built with the help of the parents' donations. As Wright had departed from Japan, the auditorium was designed by Wright's co-worker, Endo. According to Endo's writing, the structure of the auditorium was called sanmai oroshi, a design with small roofs, less prone to disasters, and economically more efficient. This room can be used in multiple ways with level flooring in the center and on the balconies. Closing the folding doors creates a separate room in the back. Presently, this is used for occasions such as wedding ceremonies, concerts, lectures, and fashion shows.